Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think in today's video I am just gonna be smiling ear to ear because of this.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ
I got my silver play button yesterday and abhi tak maine ise open nahi kiya because I was not in Delhi. I was in Noida and Twinkle received it on my behalf. So I was so excited to open it, but मैंने फिर भी अपने आप को control किया because I wanted to make a like proper unboxing video and I think this is gonna be the best unboxing of my life अभी तक के लिए. अभी मैंने recently 3-4 months से active होना शुरू किया है on YouTube and within just I think 25 days हम लोगों ने 1 lakh सब्सक्राइबर्स कर लिए थे and my baby is here. मेरे को ना पिज्जा बॉक्स जैसी फीलिंग आ रही है थोड़ी सी. मैं रोने वाली हूँ. रुको, let's do this. I know it's boring, but I'm gonna read this. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? भाई यार, मेरे को ना अभी इसके साथ एक पिक्चर भी पोस्ट करनी है अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे. मैं ऐसे कैसे करूँगी? On your 1000th subscriber, chances are you do. I actually do. And we know that you will definitely remember your 1 lakh subscribers. मेरे को क्यों रोना आ रहा है, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है. सॉरी. मैंने इस वीडियो का नाम डाला था अनबॉक्सिंग में सिल्वर प्ले बटन, लेकिन अब मैं सोच रही हूँ इसका नाम डालूंगी वॉच मी क्राइंग. Okay. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and your community you have built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 1 lakh subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. You know that you may have many more stories to share with your community and we know your fans cannot wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We cannot wait to see what you will do next and we are here to support you along the way. Who knows, when you reach your 1,000th subscriber, we may just write you and ask, do you remember your 1 lakh subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Thank you so much. I'm gonna like frame this as well क्योंकि ये message actually में काफी ज़्यादा sweet है. अब मैं finally उसे देखने वाली हूँ.
Rona band car poggle.
Ouch. Happy. Presented to Jasprit Kaur Kalsi for passing 1 lakh subscribers. मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है दिसंबर में, so thank you YouTube for gifting me a birthday gift. Hopefully next birthday से पहले पहले golden button भी आ जाए हमारे पास. Enough रोना धोना, now we're gonna cut a cake. Silver play button. Oh, winning. Chocolate. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. We need 6 candles. I am gonna keep this piece अपनी balcony में. I hope that I never let you all down and thank you so much for your love and support. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. जिस भी टाइम पर आप देख रहे हो. That's my baby over there and you're gonna see this in a lot of my organic videos now. I'm gonna place it somewhere कि वो दिखे.